is negligence, and how does one determine that if they slip and fall on someone else's property?
So negligence is a very formal analysis that's done through the courts. There has to be a duty that someone has. So if I own property, I have a duty to keep my property free from hazardous conditions. Okay, I have a duty. There has to be a breach of that duty. In other words, I have to have either done something where I created a hazard, or if I knew about a hazard and didn't do anything about it, then I've breached that duty. And then there has to be an injury that happens that proximately flowed from that. For instance, had a case one time where someone, it was at a gas station where there was a store, and they dug a ditch from the gas pumps into the store, and they didn't cover it. Mm-hmm. And so there was about a 3-inch drop, about 4 inches wide, and our client had never been to the store before, parks her car and gets out and immediately trips into that because her foot falls in that ditch, and she falls over. Well, the store knew about it because they created that. They're the ones that cut the ditch. Right. And they had a duty to make sure that it was free of hazard. They breached the duty because not only did they leave it open, they didn't put any warning signs up, they had nothing, and obviously they should have covered it. So it would have been, so no one would have stepped into it. So they failed at multiple levels to do what they're supposed to do, and as a result of that duty and the breach of that duty, the client tripped and fell, and she sustained a very serious shoulder injury. So those are the elements of negligence that have to be established. Each and every element needs to be established in order to be successful in making a claim when someone has a slip and fall or a trip and fall on someone else's property.